So you think you've seen the Earth's curvature from an airplane? Let's find out.
And that dude who jumped out of a perfectly good balloon, what's his name? Felix! Felix Baumgartner. He would have been about 2 millimeters above the surface of this globe. That's his edge of space jump. Now, you know, I don't, it's fine. He wants to, I don't have a problem if he does it, but the honesty of it would greatly diminish what I think people thought he was actually doing.
So besides all the photos and the video clearly using a fisheye lens, we also have these articles. CNN, when you've stood on the edge of space, taking in the glorious sight of the Earth's curvature. Pause to admire the curvature of the Earth. Euronews, outside the capsule on that little step, I could see the Earth curving below me. Felix said, it was beautiful. I could see the curve of the Earth below me.
And not only that, they made sure to photograph him standing there with a really wide-angle lens, which curves horizontal lines. Right. So in the photo, you see this curvature of Earth's surface, and he said, wow, he's in space, look at that. No, he's not. At that height, you don't see the curvature of the Earth if you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat. There it is, 70,000 feet. Madness. Is there anybody else up here? Presumably not. So I think it's fair to say the only people higher than us at the moment are the people in the International Space Station. That's correct. I think that means Major Cabegas and student spaceman May are the second highest people in the world. Yes! Oh man, I've got that curvature of the horizon thing. Look at that, that's perfect. Yeah. This looks fantastic. Oh, it's lovely. Do you get bored of looking at that? Surely not. Oh, I never do. Oh, it's terrific. Now let's see if it works. Oh, yeah. And then I showed examples of wide-angle lenses curving horizontal. And then I showed examples of wide-angle lenses curving horizontal. And then I showed examples of wide-angle lenses curving horizontal. I tweeted that.
You did.
But I don't want to be a spoiled, curmudgeon or anything. I just wanted you to put, there's so much to actually be impressed with in the universe. I don't want you to be distracted by things that are not. That's all I'm trying to say.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I hold it?
You can hold it.
Can I hold her? There's so much to actually be impressed with in the universe. I don't want you to be distracted by things that are not. That's all I'm trying to say.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can I hold it?
You can hold it.
Can I hold her?
Thank you so much. I find that extraordinary.